Yes, hi. Welcome to Food Review again. What the hell are you doing?
You don't even post anymore. You don't deserve to record. Hey, stupids! Get over here. We're cooking.
Let's open up this roasted eel and get a good sniff of it. It expires next year, so.
Probably smell like sea bottom. It's interesting looking.
Look at that. So fine.
That shit smells a little fishy.
Oh, damn.
I think it's got bones in it.
It looks like it has bones in it.
See that guy?
So it looks like we're gonna have to get the bones on.
If you ever seen an eel, they're like...
What do you think the best way of doing this is?
Get like a toothpick and peach bone out.
I think we're gonna cook it in the juices and add some taco seasoning.
God damn. Hold on, Evan. So, got doing. Why are you using milk?
To make sort of a nice sauce that goes with it.
Nice sauce.
A nice sauce. Taco seasoning. Taco seasoning.
I had a lot of it.
A lot?
Oh my god.
Not good.
Pepper.
A little bit of salt. That's a lot of salt. I'm gonna throw that shit.
What are you putting?
Add butter, 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 add butter.
Not bad.
Hey, what's up? We cooking tacos with fire. They're made of eel. You know, already know. Already know. Already know.
Do we say anything or just eat?
Yeah, let's say Grace.
Okay.
Grace.
Grace. My bones. Best food I've ever had.
Could you please make the shells like harder?
Yeah, this shit falls apart. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I don't know what to do about that.
There wasn't enough taco seasoning.
That's an issue with the taco.
There wasn't enough taco seasoning. This guy's definition of a lot is like a spoonful.
It tastes halfway like salmon and halfway like barbecue sauce.
He's not wrong. It's like barbecue salmon. It's not good. I'd rather.
Eel wasn't meant to be eaten by the humankind.
You think?
Yeah.
This water snake.
We should stop eating. We should stop eating squids. We need to stop eating hamsters. We need to stop eating squids. We need to stop eating dogs. We need to stop eating eels. It's weird.
This guy's the vegan
We need to
teacher.
quit.